afternoon from Melbourne. Our latest opportunity is for HF in inner Melbourne. For this, we want a hands-on chef who is very much out of the restaurant scene, understands a la carte, but furthermore gets heavily involved into the function operations, which is up to 150 packs in the corporate and also weddings markets. And we're looking for someone who is not shy also of organizing the cafe. Therefore, the chef must be very strong in kitchen administration, including rostering, but also purchasing and cost of goods, and would love to train the staff force. The salary will be up to $90,000, and we're looking really for someone who would like to make his or her mark within the organization and brings a very much positive attitude to the kitchen and the venue. If you would have interest in this appointment, which has an immediate start, please let us know.